Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Revolut eSIM. First, open your Settings app, tap on Connections, select SIM Manager or SIM card settings. Tap Add eSIM. Now you'll see two options, scan QR code and search for eSIM. If you recently purchased an eSIM on Revolut, your phone should be able to detect it when you tap Search for eSIM. Just tap on it and your phone should find your eSIM profile. If the search doesn't work, you can always scan the QR code provided by Revolut. And that's it. That's how to activate your Revolut eSIM. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.